Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning, December 3rd, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, and let's talk about what exactly was moving the markets yesterday. Before we begin, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. The Nasdaq and Standard & Poor's 500 both closed at record highs yesterday. The Standard & Poor's 500 inched up 0.2%, continuing its streak of fresh records. The Nasdaq popped almost 1%, fueled by tech giants like Apple hitting all-time highs, along with solid gains from Tesla and Meta, both up more than 3%. Meanwhile, the Dow took a bit of a breather, slipping about 0.3% from its recent record close. It's worth noting that the Standard & Poor's 500 and Dow are coming off their best monthly performances in a year. Optimism around President-elect Donald Trump's victory has certainly helped drive the rally. Year-to-date, the Standard & Poor's 500 is up more than 25%, the Dow nearly 20%, and the Nasdaq almost 30%. In stock-specific news, there were a few surprises. Stellantis shares dropped after its CEO Carlos Tavares abruptly resigned. Over at Intel, things weren't much better. Its stock dipped following the announcement that CEO Pat Gelsinger is retiring. Tough day for leadership shakeups. Now, all eyes are on this Friday's November jobs report, which could shake up expectations for rate cuts. The Fed's easing path has been a major tailwind for the markets this year, but a surprise jobs number could reset the conversation. Lastly, the dollar climbed yesterday after Trump doubled down on his tariff threats. Over the weekend, he warned BRICS countries to stick with the US dollar or face 100% tariffs if they try to move away from it. He's already rattling markets with earlier promises of hefty tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China. That's all for now. Thanks for listening to Capital Markets Quickie. I'll see you tomorrow morning with more updates to keep you ahead of the curve. Have a great day, everyone.